Right guys, welcome back to Map TV. Today we've got this GT350R in. I'm sure you've seen it on his channel before. So it's back in today for a bit of maintenance. We've got discs and pads all around. We're going for the same spec disc, the OEM discs and pads. They've done him well on the driving that he's been doing so far. Let's get them fitted. Right guys, so now we've got the wheel off, you can see exactly why we are changing these, if you'd like to come have a look. The discs, where they've been drilled, are starting to crack. They're over the specified limit, that's the reason why these are getting pulled off today, and we're off with the brand new ones. The pads that are down to the minimum wear marker, that's why we're doing the pads and the discs on this today, so let's get to it. Right then guys, we've got one side done, moving on to the offside front. So I thought I'd just show you a quick little image of the caliper itself. As you can see, they do differ from the standard S550. They are a monoblock caliper design instead of the two-piece together. So slightly different on how to change your pads. Nice performance brakes, so let's get to it. Right guys, so we're now onto the rears. The fronts are all done and built up, the wheels are back on. We've got the Brembo 4-pot calipers. However, there is a set of drums inside here that are used for the handbrake. So once it's all off, we're going to strip, clean and adjust that, get a nice handbrake feel. So yeah, let's get to it. Right guys, so job's all done now, pads and discs are on, bedded in, everything's working fine as it should. So if you're interested in any products or services that we provide, don't hesitate to get in touch. As always, we'll see you in the next video.